Men, remember this mantra. She sent you away, you go. Whether it's a breakup or I need some space, treat it the same. Don't chase. Don't text good morning or sweet dreams. Don't call, don't linger. Because a pause, even a gentle one, isn't an invitation to keep performing love. It's a crossroads, a silent moment for her to choose, with you or without you. So leave, go silent, respect the pause like it's the final act. And that mantra, say it again. She sent you away, you go. Because the moment you chase your value, already dwindling by the time she walked away, plummets even lower. But if you let her go with dignity, with calm, without drama or desperation, then your value begins to rise, quietly, inevitably. She will reach out, they always do. You'll ask me, what if I already messed up? What if I already laid roses at her feet, wrote letters, begged, offered every gift I could think of? Yes, then it's harder, because you've sunk beneath the floor of self-respect. But it's not impossible. You stop, today, this second, you rebuild your value, not for her, but for yourself. There's a strange phenomenon at the end of summer. It happens like clockwork. By early fall, exes come crawling back. Why? Because summer is chaos. Parties, beaches, new people, new chances. But by fall, the glow fades, melancholy sets in, loneliness creeps through the cracks. If she hasn't found a replacement by September, she will remember you, not for who you are today, but for who you were, who you used to be. And she'll come back to heal her own wounds, to soothe her own regrets. But listen closely, this isn't love. This is unfinished business. This is her closing a chapter, testing a theory, seeing if she was right to walk away. Your goals, they're different. She wants clarity. You want love. And that is a dangerous imbalance. The first step in her return is subtle. A like on your photo, a random comment, a birthday message that feels like it came from a stranger. These are not olive branches. These are pings, echoes from her conscience, probes to see if you're still there, still waiting. But you must not respond, not with words, not with hearts, not even with hope. Because if you do, if you bite too early, you reset the entire dynamic. You confirm that she was right to leave, that nothing changed. And her interest, it disappears. But if you remain still, her curiosity grows, her focus sharpens. She begins to wonder, why didn't he respond? Did he move on? Did I lose him for good? That question alone makes you more powerful than any "I miss you" ever could. So don't answer, don't engage, let the silence grow louder. Now we reach the second phase, when the ping turns into a voice, a message, a call, an invitation to meet. Let's grab a drink sometime. Catch up. We were never strangers after all. But the tone, still foggy, still indirect. No true proposal, no real vulnerability, just breadcrumbs in the dark. And too many men fall for it. They think, she wrote me, she must want me back. Wrong. She doesn't want you. She misses the feeling. Nostalgia is seductive. She remembers the warmth, the closeness. She misses the echo of what you shared. But she hasn't decided. She's still uncertain. This is still a test. You must not pour yourself back into that void. Not yet. Not when she's unsure. Not when her feet are half in, half out. Because if you do, if you lean forward while she's still leaning back, she'll vanish. Again. Let her speak, let her ask, let her reveal. And if, by fate or accident, you meet, say little, share nothing, listen, observe. Let her sit in the silence she created. If she persists, if she truly wants you back, she'll do more than message. She'll chase. She'll make it clear, I want to be with you again. She'll show up, she'll ask, she'll confess, and it won't be cryptic anymore. It will be raw, undeniable. And here, you must do something most men don't. Doubt her. Yes, doubt her. Because you've seen this cycle before. Words are cheap, promises are easy. What you need now is action, change, proof. So let her prove herself. Let her earn her way back in. Let her rebuild what she once walked away from. Do not roll out the red carpet. Do not erase the past. Let her see the consequences of leaving. And most importantly, do not hope, do not dream, observe. Because if she means it, truly, she won't mind. She'll be patient, she'll stay, she'll rebuild with you. And if she doesn't, then she was never here for you. Just for closure, just for a bandage. Let her go, for real this time. Love is not found in desperation. It's found in dignity, in respect, in knowing your worth, especially when someone else forgot it. Your ex may come back. She may message, call, show up at your doorstep with eyes full of regret and words dipped in sugar. But you must stand still. You must protect the version of yourself that you've built since she left. You are no longer the man who begged, who pleaded, who tried to glue broken pieces together. You are the man who watched it shatter and walked away with grace. So if she returns, let her return to that man. Let her meet someone stronger, calmer, colder. And only when her warmth melts through that ice, not with tears, not with promises, but with action, only then do you consider a new beginning. Not a continuation. A beginning. Because how it will never be enough. And you, my friend, are no longer someone she can just come back to. You're someone she must rise to meet.